welcome to my channel. We have discussed the second part of the real number. In this video, we first represent the what is the real number. You know the number line. In the standard line, you know that the number line represent in the that is the 0. This one 1, 2, 3, 4. This one -1, -2, -3, -4. The number which is represent on the number line, that is called the real number. Now we know that in the gap of the two numerals, that is called the fraction, and this one also called the natural number, and it is also positive integers. Now we know that this one the negative integers, this one the positive integers, also known as this one the natural number, also known as natural number and positive integer. If you add with the 0, then it is the whole number. Now we have discussed the properties of positive number. If you divide, you have taken two positive number, one is 35 and 7. If we divided the 35 with the 7, know that means 7 5 is 35, the remainder is 0. That means 35 is dividend and 7 is the divisor and 5 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. So we know that in the long division method, that is the dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, where the remainder is less than equal to 0 or less than to divisor. रिमाइंडर ऑलवेज 0 के साथ इक्वल होता है और ऑफ डिवाइजर से छोटा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि रिमाइंडर ये आपको पता है, ये जो डिवीजन लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड का बेसिक है, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा. The Euclid's division lemma also represent that is the dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now the one question is arises, what is lemma? The lemma is a proven statement used for proving another statement. Lemma is also known as in Hindi, that is the Siddhant. You know that lemma means, a lemma is the proven statement used for the proving the another statement. एक स्टेटमेंट को प्रूव करने के लिए जिसका हेल्प लेते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं, लेमा बोलते हैं, उसको हिंदी में सिद्धांत बोलते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट इज द यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा? You know that is the lemma. Lemma means, a lemma is the proven statement used for the proving another statement. Now discuss the Euclid's division lemma. In the long division method, we have says that is the dividend equal to divisor and into quotient plus remainder. This one the Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma. Now we have represent in the word the given the positive integer a and b, then there exist unique integers q and r satisfy a equal to bq plus r. We have taken now the example, that is 7 and 35. We have taken this example. If you divided with the 35 and 7, now it is 30, also represent 7 into 5 plus 0. It is also the satisfy in this method a is equal to bq plus r. This is the Euclid's division lemma. Okay. Now with the help of Euclid's division lemma, we have calculated the SCF. Now what is the SCF? You know in the standard 4 and 5, you find the SCF of a two numbers. Look at the, for example, you have taken 12 and 24. Find the SCF of 12 and 24. The SCF means highest common factor. You know factors. The first one is the 12 factor is 1 into 12 and 3 into 4, 2 into 6, then 3 into 4. Then the factor of 24 is equal to 1 into 24, 2 into 12, then 3 into 8, 6 into 4, this one. Now you can represent the 12 factor is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, then 12. We know the factor of 24 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. That means SCF is highest common factor. तो फैक्टर से जो हाईएस्ट होता है उसको SCF बोलते हैं. तो now the highest is 12. So the SCF of 12 and the SCF of 12 and 24 is equal to 12. Okay? हम अभी देखेंगे SCF का परिभाषा समझेंगे. What is SCF? So SCF means SCF of a two positive number A and B is the largest positive integer D that divided both A and B. That means D is a positive integer, the largest positive integers which we can divide both A and B. Okay? Now we have discussed in this way, which way we have taken to the SCF. Find the SCF, that is called the Euclid's division algorithm. In which way we have find the SCF of a positive numbers, that is called the Euclid's division algorithm. We can find also SCF number in many methods, but you know that the Euclid's divisions, you can find the SCF by the Euclid's division lemma. In which process we have taken to the Euclid's division lemma, that is called the Euclid's division algorithm. Now the question is, what is algorithm? The algorithm means an algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure for solving type of problems. तो algorithm क्या होता है? जो एक प्रॉब्लम को हम जैसे कंप्लीट करेंगे, एक सीरीज के डिफाइन करेंगे स्टेप वाइज, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एल्गोरिथम. मतलब जो भी प्रॉब्लम है, एक टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम जब वेल डिफाइन द स्टेप्स ऑफ सीरीज, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एल्गोरिथम. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हाट इज द यूक्लिड डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम? वी हैव टेकन टू एग्जांपल. फर्स्ट वन इज वी हैव टेकन, दैट इज द 24 and 36. Find the SCF of 24 and 36. You first taken in the find the Euclid division lemma, you have taken this way. Find the SCF of 24 and 36 by the method of Euclid division algorithm, by Euclid division, EDC, Euclid division algorithms. How to find? Know that means the 36 is the greatest in the two numbers 24 and 36, and 36 is the greatest. So if you written is the 36 equal to 24 into 1 plus 12. Okay? Then now do apply with the 24 and the 12. You have continued this process when that is the remainder is not to be 0. Okay? Now the apply Euclid's lemma with the 24 and 12. Then 24 equal to 2 12 into 2 plus 0. Now the SCF is 12. The SCF is equal to 12. Okay. Now discuss the how to obtain the SCF of two positive integers. That is the by the Euclid's division algorithm we have represent. To obtain the SCF of two positive integers, if C and D with the C is greater than to the D, so follow the steps that belongs. First step 1 is apply the Euclid's division lemma to C and D, so we find the whole number Q1 R such that C equal to DQ plus R. Okay? In the step 2, if R equal to 0, then D is the SCF. Yes or no? Now the D is SCF. If R equal to 0, then R equal to 0, then D is SCF. If the C and D, if R not equal to 0, if R not equal to 0, then apply the division lemma D and R. Then if R is not equal to 0, then to apply D and R with the lemma, division lemma. Then in the step 3, we have continued the process till the remainder is 0. You have process in this, you have continued this process when till the remainder is not to a 0. The divisor at this stage will the required SCF. In this step, the divisor is also the SCF of a number. That means when the remainder is 0, then the divisor is the SCF of a number. अभी हम फिर शुरू से देखेंगे क्या पढ़े. That means first one is Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma also represent the long division method of a division. That means dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is lemma? A lemma is the proven statement for the proving another statement. So what is the Euclid's division algorithm? An algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure for solving a type of problems. Okay? How to get the SCF by using the Euclid's division lemma? You have find the 3 steps. You first division with the C and D, which is greatest you have divided. Then it is the satisfied the C is equal to DQ plus R. If R equal to 0, then D is the SCF of a number. If R is not equal to 0, then we have divided with the D, and then you use the lemma form in the D and R. You continue this process when the remainder is not till the remainder is 0. अब इस प्रोसेस को दोहराते रहेंगे कैसे? जब तक रिमाइंडर आपका 0 नहीं आता. ठीक है? उसके बाद जो डिवाइजर होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? SCF. The remainder, the divisor at this stage will the required SCF. Thank you.